Now let us see a question on Boolean algebra. Alright. Now this Boolean algebra, we will see De Morgan's law. In simple terms, what does a De Morgan law means? Whenever you see, I am writing a bar. So A is a signal, I am inverting the signal. Alright, so whenever you see a bar, you have to convert, remember this, you have to convert OR signal into AND, or AND signal into OR. This is what you have to do. If you want to remove this bar, that means, let us say A dot B whole bar is there, it is equal to, I am removing this, so the operator here is dot, which is AND, so I have to convert that into OR. See, plus means OR, dot means AND. This is what we have to do. Okay? So we have to do this very carefully and analyze this and see what is the output. Look here. Initially, you consider this whole thing as one signal, this whole thing as one signal, okay? And we are removing this bar. So if I am removing the bar, how will I write? A plus B dot C. B dot C means B and C, okay? Originally there is a bar is there. I am removing it, so I will put another bar. I will convert this into dot because I am removing the bar. Look here, on top of B there is a bar, so you need to write that. Whole bar is there, and then I am removing this bar by converting plus into dot. This is the next step. Okay. Now here you can see there are two bars. So it is like this. Suppose there is a signal A, you put a bar, means what? Suppose signal was A equal to 0. So A bar means it will invert the signal. Now this is inverted again, it will convert back to 0. That means A is equal to A. So we will use this identity. So this becomes A plus B dot C. Okay? Dot. Same is the situation here. Okay? You consider this as one signal now. You consider this as another signal. Okay? This is one signal. This is another signal. What is the operator now? AND. So we can use a distributor now. So A dot B bar plus B dot C dot A dot B bar. Okay? So treating this whole thing as one signal, we have applied the distributive law. So there what I did, I took this and multiplied this, I took this and I operated on this. Okay? Now what is this? This is A dot B bar. So what is the meaning of A dot A? That means 1 and 1, let us say. A signal is 1, A signal if it is 1 and 1 will give you 1 only, no? That means A dot A will give you A only. So this can be written as A dot B bar plus, look here, now C is some other signal, B dot C dot A dot B bar. Now this whole thing is one signal. What you are saying, B signal and C signal and A signal and B bar signal. How you will get, let us say B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 and B bar is equal to, because B is equal to 0, B bar is equal to 1. In the same signal you should have B is equal to 0 and B bar is equal to 1. Is it possible? Can a terminal give both 0 and 1 signal at the same time? It is not possible. So this will become 0. This will become, this is not valid in the first place. Okay, so finally what are you left with? You are left with this. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is how you operate with Boolean algebra, and you should know De Morgan's law, how it is applied in this case. The De Morgan's law, when you are breaking this bar, you have to change the operator. Okay, remember this rule is equal to A plus B see here bar should come, okay, and this will be, okay, when you are changing the, when you are removing the bar, you have to replace the bar with, you have to change the operator, okay, like this. This is what we have done here. I have taken the bar, and when I am breaking it, consider this whole thing as A here, alright. So A bar dot B bar, like this, okay. Maybe I missed this bar part, so remember that this is how you operate. So let us apply the knowledge of Boolean algebra and solve this circuit. Now this question has come in JEE 2019. So you can see here, let us first write the names of the gates. So this is a OR gate, right? Curvature, simple curvature. Always look for this circle. This is a circle. And what type of gate is this? This is a straight line AND gate. So there is a circle, it becomes an AND gate. So similar, so this is also an AND gate. See, no need to write all this, I am just writing for explanation purpose. And this is also an AND gate. Okay. Now this type of question, you can pass some signal A0 and B is equal to 1 and you can solve. But it's going to take a lot of time. So we are going to use De Morgan's law while solving it. I told you about De Morgan's law. In De Morgan's law, when you are removing the bar, individually you have to write the bar and change the operation. Here it is dot, make it plus. Dot means and this means, plus means, dot means and plus means or. If it was like this, it is A bar, B bar you write, and this is plus, you put a dot. This is what is De Morgan's law. So let us write all the outputs here. So this is A, so A will go here. A and B passing through NAND gate. A and B passing through an AND gate will be A dot B, right? But because this is a NAND gate, you have to put a bar on top of it. So this is the signal which is going here, A dot B whole bar. And you can see here, one leg is connected to B, so this is B, and the next second signal is A dot B whole bar. Alright. Now it is passing through a NAND gate, means first you write what is an AND gate. AND gate will be A dot B bar on top of A dot B, but because this is a NAND gate, whole bar will come, right? And here what will come? This is a OR gate, so you will get A dot B plus D. This is what you will get as the second signal here. So this is the second signal here, this is the first signal here, and finally it is passing through a NAND gate. So what are you going to get? You are going to get A dot B bar whole bar. Okay, this is the first signal, dot, this is the second signal, dot, I will put a bracket here otherwise, dot A dot B whole bar plus B. This is the second one, right? But because this is passing through a NAND gate, you have to put a bar on top. So now we have to solve this using the Boolean algebra. So consider this as 1 right now, this as 1. So how we can write it now? A dot AB bar, put a bar which is already there, on top of it another bar. Okay, convert this dot into plus, and A dot B bar plus B whole bar. Okay, now this is double bars are there. I told you that A bar will be equal to A. So this becomes A dot AB bar. Okay, now plus. So consider this as 1, and now we need to open this. So again I need to apply De Morgan law here. So consider this as 1 now, this as the second one. So I can write this as A dot B bar and B bar. Because there is plus, I need to put a dot. Okay, so this is A dot AB bar plus, so there is double bar here, so this will become A dot B bar. I told you that B and B bar cannot be in the same operation, so it doesn't make any sense. Come to this. So AB is there. AB means A dot B. Okay, you need to apply De Morgan law for this. A dot, I can write A dot A bar B bar. If nothing is there, you can assume a dot. So put plus. Alright. So this, when you apply distributive law, it becomes A dot A bar plus A dot B bar. A dot A bar. So what is left over now? A B bar. A B bar is your answer. Option 2. So this is how you should approach these type of questions.